Hello there, Julius Anthony here, internet marketer. Just doing an end of the month review on how the account is going. If you've subscribed to my channel, you will see I've been doing some videos now since last year. And this year I've started off again. Again, we're trying to sort of see how the account will go to the end of the year. See how progress is going. There's a whole heap of things that I still want to do. I'm planning to do over the year. And so at the moment I am just trying to increase the amount of ad packs I'm getting at the moment. I've always got to try and remember to look at the camcorder here. But hope you're well. I have had some sign-ups in the last couple of months. So I have to, if I am repeating myself, because over the months new people come up to me and I get people to ask me questions. So if you go to my channel, you will see last month's total, and we're trying to get to the point to increase the ad packs as often as I can. The idea is to try and help people who really do have less money, because I've really been tempted to add money to my account this year, but I'm trying hard not to. I may have to eventually, because the account's too slow. But what you want to bear in mind, if you're starting off, you can start off as minimum as you possibly can, $10 a week or $20 a week, whatever you have. I obviously funded this amount of ad packs with a previous online program that I had, which no longer exists. I'm not going to mention the names, but here we are. So picking up from last month, I can't remember how much I had for last month's ad pack, but anyway, for this month it is the 30th of April, the last day of the month of April. It is 6 o'clock where I am in London in UK, and so I'm going to do this quick video now before everything breaks loose in the house, because I'm going to get my family coming back soon. Now we have a total of 91 ad packs, and that's a record. Never had that before in FutureAdPro, and that's good. My idea, now this is not the only way to do it, is to have a regular income coming in of about $50 a day. At the moment I am averaging about $28 depending on the sale from FutureAdPro. I'm getting $28 a day, so I just bought an ad pack this morning, that's why it's 91. And so if I just go into here, just to give you some, these are the ad packs. So that's $50 ad pack, which is what I am. It's probably going to drop off, I would say, by tomorrow midnight. Tomorrow on the 1st of May midnight. So we're not going to drop off. It depends. Again, I don't think I'll be able to buy an ad pack, but my ad packs are dropping off. So what will happen is when you buy an ad pack, you get $60. If I scroll down now and see, there you go. Once it hits $60, so you buy an ad pack for $50, and it will keep on chipping away every day, giving you an amount. Once it gets to $60, it just drops off the radar. So you've either got to replace it, or the amount of your ad packs go down. So I have a $50 ad packs. I have also 10 ad packs, $10 ad packs, which are more or less than $50. I prefer the $50. Now you can max out the quota you've got for $10. That's if you want, but personally I prefer the $50 ad packs, because I think they bring more revenue. And also the quota you have, you see, if I go back to my status now, I have got to the highest status I possibly can, which is level 5, and that gives me it only gives me an allowance of 10 ad packs. That's all I can have, but I can get 1,000 ad packs of $50. So you can max out your $100 ad pack. Yeah. For me, I want to get as many 50 ad packs as I can, and every so often I will get a $10 ad pack. So today, if I go back to the dashboard, after today, I bought an ad pack this morning. I've got $10 left, or $11 in the account now. Now I can buy an ad pack with that, a $10 ad pack. I go there, see, buy, and it will say buy. So I click on that. If I click on that, it will tell me you can buy one ad pack with your online account. So I can just do that, and I'll press buy, and that'll be it. I don't want to do that. I want the account to keep on going up until I get up to another $50 here, and I think at least by what's today? Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning I should be able to buy another ad pack. I'm sort of buying an ad pack about every 40 hours. So the timing for buying a $50 ad pack is going down. It's just taking time. This is one of the reasons I like to put money in, but I'm not like everybody else. So while I'm here, in May, I'm possibly going to do another video on why we need to increase our ad packs. And the idea is to try and get, as I said, $50 a day. At $50 a day, the plan is you buy ad packs for Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday. And then one of those days you use the $50, one of the days of the week you use it to advertise. You cannot be an online business without advertising. Now that's another topic, but if you want to make money, advertising is the key. If you're not going to advertise, I don't think you should start getting into online business. Now I have a business as a driving instructor here in London, and if I don't advertise, I don't get any business. So it's the same with online. You need to hammer your traffic for advertising. So while I'm here, before I end off the video, because I don't want to make it too long today, I am going to go to the tab on the left, advertising, and this is where you manage your advertising. So my other online business that I refer to, which I advertise through FutureAdPro, which is also a media site, is through here. So if I view the advertising I have, this is where you advertise. You look at the 10 adverts you have to look at every day. Manage advertising. So this is my link. This is what I'm advertising with FutureAdPro. So I'm advertising a business, not my driving instructor business, but my online internet business. And so every ad pack I've been buying gives you a certain quota. I forgot the figures at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase that quota right now. I am going to say I want, how many shall I have? I'm going to say 10,000. So have I just taken my allowance? So you saw before how I had over 15,000 views there, but I've now put 10,000 of that to assign it so people can start seeing this advert. So I'm going to go down here. I have to move my video here. Assign the views. It says views set properly. And so what will happen is when I go to review, when you go to review the advertising, I will start, when you start watching adverts, my advert will start to come up and people can see it. So when somebody clicks any one of those, eventually it will come up. And anybody clicks any one of those, let me go back to my advertising, you see what will come up. So this will come up on the dashboard. So when people are clicking their 10 adverts, this will now show every so often until the views run out. So, and this is what you will see. This is it. So if I just press ad view, and that's what come out, and that's what people will see. And so this is my personal business. This is my online personal business. So people will put the information in, and they will go to my link. So the idea is to put more advertising than this. I mean, again, as I said, I'm going to do more another advert, another video on advertising. It's very important to do advertising. I don't think I do enough, but it's because I'm waiting for the funds for this to grow more and more and more. And really, people should be seeing this advert pretty much on the hour, which means you need a lot of traffic. This traffic that gets you recognized. If you have any questions, please message me. Links down below. And we'll get to see you hopefully. I'm going to try and do another video on things. Might talk about the plan because of the new people that have signed up, or I might just talk. If you've got any questions, what you would like me to do in the next video, just message me, send me a link, join my channel, and I will see you soon. All right, bye for now.